Hi everyone, welcome back to our basic programming tutorial with processing. Now that our program become more sophisticated, as you see here, just refresh your mind that now we can actually show rain inside our program, and the windmill also can rotate, and the cloud also keep coming back, like going to the right side, after that coming back from the left side. Now obviously for the cloud to be able to move like that, we can use condition if, but then we want to make it more interesting. Let's say when after the cloud move here, it will change the weather, so it becomes raining, and when it comes here again and come out from here, then it doesn't rain, and so on. You know what I'm saying? So meaning that it's rain, it's not rain, it's rain, it's not rain. How we do that? Okay, let's start. First of all, as you see here, when the rain reach 500, or basically bigger than 500, then something happened, which is basically x cloud equals 0. And it only happened once, basically, like once, because once x cloud equals 0, then x cloud will be added by 1, meaning that it only happened at that time only. Like, of course, you know that it will be repeated again and again, but it was only happen very tiny second, and we're gonna use that by creating another variable. Let's call it boolean rain, and let's put it, we'll set it into true. Okay, so it starts with raining. After that, in here we're gonna change the rain into rain, the opposite. So this is basically change into the opposite value. So meaning that from false it become true, from true become false, and we're gonna use it, we're gonna apply the condition here. So meaning that if rain, then do that. If not, you don't have to explain anything, basically. If rain, you can do this, or okay, let's see, let's run this. All right, at first it's raining, after that it's not rain anymore, you see. Then it's rain again, and it's not anymore. Okay, in fact, if I want to make it more dramatic, I could actually put background. Let's see, let's get a 150, let's make it 180 instead. All right, and let's see what we get here. So at first it's dark, after that, as soon as now it's sunny and nice weather, then it's getting dark again. Okay, and back to sunny. Well, I hope you understand. Feel free to ask questions. And if you have any ideas how you want to improve this, feel free to modify it. And I hope you learn a lot how useful actually is condition. And I'll see you next time.